Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Uber Eats discount code. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, I will show you how you can get promo codes for Uber Eats. So in the search bar, just simply search for Uber Eats promo code. You will see different websites here. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm going to open this first one here, and here you can see this is a legit website. Now you are going to see these amazing offer and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $25 off, 10% off, and as you can see there are a lot of offers here. Head towards the offer you want to redeem, click on it. Make sure to check the expiry date of this code, whether it is valid or not. If the code is valid, copy it. So you can tap on this redeem at Uber Eats. It will redirect you at the official website of Uber Eats. Once you are on the official website, just log in with your credentials. Once you are here, make your order and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you will find the enough codes. You are typing the code and confirm your order. With that code, you will be redeemed and you will get the discount. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to redeem Uber Eats discount code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.